How to use HTML tags and emojis in your Amazon FBA listing. Hello everyone, and I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Saad Basim. Please subscribe and join our Amazon FBA Giant Facebook group. In today's topic, I really wanted to cover how we can optimize our listing and add some emojis and HTML to make it more attractive. And there's a study just shows that Microsoft conducted where they say that the human being has attention span that less than a goldfish. Can you believe that? So the human has 8-second attention span where the goldfish has 9 seconds. Oh my, oh my, oh my. This is really crazy, which means that we need to make sure that we grab our buyer or potential buyer into our listing and make him or make her stay longer in our listing to be able to convert into a sale. So if they stay longer, they will be able to think about it harder, will increase our chances of making a sale. Making a sale means higher conversion means more ranking means more sales means more profit, which is at the end of the day, that's what we're doing the business. We want to make sure that we make as many sales as possible and as much profit as we can. So in today's topic, I would like to show you guys how to add the emojis to your bullet points and your description. At the same time, we're going to have a live demo how to use the HTML tags to fix and organize your description very well. At the same time, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to be able to automate the whole process very quickly. So let's get to it and let's show you a little bit about HTML tags and emojis. All right, guys, as you see here, guys, I'm going to show you two listings. One of the listing that doesn't use it, is not optimized for it, and second listing that's optimized with HTML and emojis. As you see here, now before I want to start, I just want to mention one thing. This is not a lesson or a video for optimizing your listing. This is just something that you have optimized and you just have the extra spices or the extra sugar on top of your listing. So basically, what do you have here? Listing optimization. If you guys really want me to have a video about listing optimization, just let me know and I'll make one. But listing optimization, I'm just going to go through it very quickly. You want to make sure that your title is really optimized using all the characters that you can, making sure all your images are being used, all the spots that are possible, making sure that your bullet points, these bullet points called bullet points, they're all optimized and using the most characters possible. And at the same time, you have the last part, which is description, which is here. This is the description. So now what we see, guys, everything is kind of optimized here, but they haven't used any HTML. Emojis, you can only use emojis in the bullet points. You cannot use HTML because it's already organized. And also, if you see at the description, oh my, I don't think I want to even read it. I don't think anybody wants to read it. It's just bulk of a paragraph that all not organized. It's very hard on the eye. You will never be able to read it unless you really have nothing else to do. And as we said, if the human has less attention span than a goldfish, that's almost impossible. So that's one listing. Look at the other listing here. It's a coffee grinder, the same thing, just different type. Actually, they did a very good job with their title. It's fully optimized, as you see. They have used all the spots. They use very nice pictures. They have done all their bullet points correctly here. They have used emojis, as you see, which is really cool. Grab people's attention a little bit more. At the same time here, they organize their product description very well, which makes it very organized, very easy. You know exactly what you want to read. Built-in feature included, how to replace blade, and you'll be able to read whatever you really want. So now for using HTML tags, there's only few that you really can use, or the ones that I use the most. One of them is bold, how to make the text bold. And if you want to really emphasize on a specific, for example, your brand name or a specific like feature or anything you want to grab people's attention, you will use the bold. which is basically a bracket, B bracket, put the text in, and after that you close it with bracket / B and close the bracket. Then the break, which is equal bracket BR bracket, which is makes you the spaces or space between each. So this basically is, I'm going to show you now the example what I mean by break or how you use it. And then you have the bullet points or bullets, which is the dot that you see. Now this is information is really was little bit it took time to know, because I think everyone uses Mac for some reason except me, which is Alt plus 0149. So you put the Alt 0149 and then you let go, and that's the bullet point is going to show up. So, or if you're using Mac, you see the Option plus the F8 button. So let me just demonstrate that in my PC. So I do Alt 0149 and let go, and it shows the point. That's how you use it for bullet points. Now, if I come to this guy and I would like to imitate what they're doing, so if I wanted to use the features, the built-in features, and I'll use a bold, so I will have a bracket, B bracket, the text, and then close it with a bracket / B and close the bracket. If I want to have a space, which is there's a space here, if you see space or enter, is basically going to use BR. So let's go ahead and do live example, and I'm going to use our competitor, the guy who, I don't know, he knows nothing about HTML, I believe, and he really doesn't care. So let's do copy, and that's why it's very important. I think maybe this guy also, what he did, he just typed it very well in the back end. He did it really nicely, and he thought Amazon is going to do it for him, but it doesn't work this way. So I'm going to use an HTML editor, and let's say I have it here as a big bulk. So whatever you put here is going to show you exactly how it's going to look in your Amazon listing. So first I'm not going to do really a lot. I'm just going to show you how to use it. I mean, I'm not sure how even it looks or that makes sense, but I just want to see the look of it, how it feels. So I'm just going to put spaces, and I'm just going to do this paragraph just to make it easy on the eye. So here, no, actually, no, I'm just going to make it here, everything when I see that. Yes, here spinning RPM during rocky features. It might not even make sense this way, though. I mean, the way how everything is going to be structured, but I'm just going to do my best here. And we have this one. So we have Nation, Rocky, and actually here also I can put a space. So this is how things work. Even if I put it this way, it's going to look at the bulk in Amazon listing. So let's say I want to do this one as bold, the name of the brand. So I come here and I'll do bracket B, close the bracket, shows everything. You don't want everything, you want only that. So you want to close /B, close the bracket. So now it shows exactly how it works here. See the bolded, everything is bolded. So now if I want to have a space, I'm going to do BR close. See how it made it here? See how it made it very nice? Then I want to make another space. Here, BR close. Then we're going to do another BR close. So now it made two spaces, which is exactly what we want. And let's say this is, I want to make the whole text here bold. So I come here and I'll do bold, bold, and I will close it with another bold /B bold close. And then let's say I want to make it, I want to give it a space. So I'll do BR, boom. If you use only one space, you can use one space. If you use two, you can use two. Just to make it easy in the eye, as you see here, as you see in the right side here, has two spaces, and he has two spaces, which is I like. So now let's say I want to use here, I want to use a bullet point, so I can go ahead and do my, with my Microsoft PC, BBC, everything's about BBC. Alt 0149, let go. See, it did a button. So now if I want to go all the way here and I want to make a break, I just come here and I do break. Okay. That made a break. So let's say I want to come here and do another thing. So I do the same thing. Alt 0149, let go, and I will make a break. BR. Boom. See? He made the breaks for me. So I just want to show it here because you guys see now how it works. Now, let's say I'm coming here. I can do all of them. I can do them all in one bulk. I mean, all of them at the same time. So 0149 here. Same thing. Alt 0149, let go. 0149, let go. 0149, let go. Let go, baby, let go. And 0149, let go. All right, so now everything I see where at the end of it, I just put a break. 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 Breaky. Break. Break. And let's say here I'm gonna put break, but here since I want 2 spaces or more spaces because of the sentence by itself, and I want to emphasize on the whole each unit is factory tested with the real coffee beans, and some coffee powder may still be present. So it's like I want to get people's attention, make sure about it. I come here and I will do it bold, and I will close it with another bold. If I have a slash, would be nice. Look at that. So this is the HTML what we did. We can just take it all, copy it all, and I can just take it and put it in my description in the back end and just paste it, copy paste, and I'm done. And as soon as you paste it, you save it, it will show exactly how it is here on the right side. So you see that? That's a very easy way of using the HTML to make it look better. But let's say if I want to add more emojis, because we are better than that, right? So I have a website what I use all the time, which called Emojipedia.org. So I come to Emojipedia.org, and that's the main page. When I come here, let's say I want to do a check mark. So I just come here, put check mark. I'm looking for a check mark. Put a check mark and come. I like to use this one because it has more green. It grabs people's attention more. So I come here, copy that, and then I go to my HTML. And let's say I want to use it, I don't know, here at the end. Sorry, I need to use it here. It's okay. Here, so you do it at the same time. So here, see, it shows here. And that's it, done. I can use that. I can use it, for example, here if I want it also. Here. Boom, done, see? And I can use those emojis if I want it to be there about coffee. So I can put coffee cup. And let's see, I had hot beverage. I come here, put copy. See, I should charge those people now because I did that for them. Oh, sorry. Come here and let's say every time what I see a bullet point, bull here, so I can put here and put that. See, I can put that instead of I don't want it the bold, and that's it. So every time I see bull, come here, copy paste, then I can come here, copy paste. Not here. Here, paste. I forgot the Rocky, man. Where's my Rocky here? Boom. Then we have spinning. Boom. Then we have the Rocky Mountain. Boom. Then I have. Yeah, I should have done it from the beginning. It would be much better. But hey, we're here. We're done. That's it. So see, this is exactly the HTML. So whatever is here, you take it, copy it, paste it, and you're done. You have a very, very nice way of doing your HTML and your description look much better than this, and you'll be the judge. Is that better or this is better? And that's it. So let's say we had all this copy. We had it done. We had it done on, let's say, in text here. Let me just keep that away. So let's say I'm here, I have it, and I have done it all nicely. I can, if I wanted to use automated way to do it, I just take all that, copy. Let's say I didn't use anything. I just came here, I wrote the text, I added all the emojis, just normal text, copy. I'm gonna show you how to make your life easy with a tool. Now, boom, boom. But you know what, before that, actually, because I forgot to tell you about the bullet points. So the bullet points is very simple. I'm going to come here, and let's say I have that. Okay, let's say I have this bullet points, and that you do it in the back end at the same time. Okay, so let's see, let's just do the bullet points in the bullet points in the bullet points. The bullets in the features or the bullet points, they will have the bullet points with them anyways. So you're not going to be able to add them. They come from Amazon by themselves. So let's say I'm just not going to add this one. So let's say I'm here. So what I do, I come here, the same thing, and I can use whatever I want. Let's say I'm using a smiley face. So all the smiley face here. Let's say I want to do this one. You need to be more creative. Use the things that related to your product, and that's the best way. For example, if you're doing something about sports and outdoor, put something a sun, put something with camping. If you're doing like the coffee, how we did it, put something about coffee. Anything related. Just do not just do it just to do it. Just make it look very related to your product that you're selling. But I use usually check mark for bullet points. In my description, I play around and be cute and do unicorns and smiley faces and all this stuff. But let's say I am being cute and I'm coming here to do my HTML, and I want to use a smiley face. So I come here, I just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. That's it, done. Whatever the features are in the back end, you just go in and you just add them. Very easy and simple. So let's go back now and let's talk about if I wanted to automate that and use a tool for it. Now, I'm not affiliated with this tool at all, but I just found it and it really does the work for me. So let's say bring this one here. This is the tool. It actually has more things than what I'll be using, more things than what I showed you, which is bold, breaks, and the bullet points. Here you can use multiple things if you really want it. But let's say I have it in my text, so the same thing. I have it here. That's the text, throwing everything. So I come here, take all that, copy, just come here, boom, look at that, done. Did everything for you in a simple way, easier than what I did and faster. I'm just showing you how good this tool is, or any other tool. I know Helium 10 has one, other places they have them, but these are specified for Amazon, which is the HTML. The HTML tags that they use are really simple that Amazon can understand. There's a lot of HTML editor like the one I was just using. They're not that great. So use this one and done. You take it, copy the HTML, go to your backend, and you're good to go and done. So I hope this guys was really helpful for you. I hope now you understand how to use the emojis, HTML tags in your bullet points description, and that's going to increase your sales, which means more sales means more profit, more ranking, more conversion rate, which is going to help you a lot. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please join our Facebook group, Amazon FBA Giants. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.